The world of cryptocurrency is constantly evolving. It's an exciting space with new innovations emerging all the time. One such innovation is the rise of stablecoins. These digital assets offer the benefits of cryptocurrencies while mitigating their volatility. Stablecoins are pegged to stable assets like the US dollar. This makes them ideal for everyday transactions and a reliable store of value. The emergence of stablecoins marks a significant step towards mainstream crypto adoption. They bridge the gap between traditional finance and the decentralized world of blockchain. With stablecoins, users can enjoy the speed, transparency, and security of crypto transactions without worrying about price fluctuations. PiNetwork has been making waves in the crypto space since its inception. It aims to make cryptocurrency accessible to everyone. Unlike other cryptocurrencies that require complex mining processes, PiNetwork allows users to mine Pi coins using their smartphones. This innovative approach has garnered a massive global community of over 47 million users. PiNetwork's mission extends beyond just mining. The network is built on the principles of inclusivity and accessibility, striving to empower individuals with financial control and opportunities. The launch of its own stablecoin is a testament to PiNetwork's commitment to providing practical solutions for its growing user base. The Stellar blockchain has earned a reputation for its speed, scalability, and low transaction fees. It's a decentralized platform designed to facilitate fast and affordable cross-border payments. Stellar's infrastructure has made it a popular choice for various financial institutions and developers looking to build robust and efficient blockchain applications. Stellar's focus on financial inclusion aligns perfectly with PiNetwork's vision. By leveraging Stellar's technology, PiNetwork ensures its stablecoin benefits from a secure and reliable infrastructure. This strategic partnership paves the way for seamless transactions and widespread adoption of the Pi stablecoin. The integration of PiNetwork's stablecoin with the Stellar blockchain is a match made in crypto heaven. This strategic alliance combines the strengths of both platforms to create a powerful and user-friendly stablecoin solution. Stellar's robust infrastructure ensures fast, secure, and low-cost transactions for PiNetwork users. This integration opens up a world of possibilities for both ecosystems. PiNetwork users gain access to a wider range of financial services and can transact with their stablecoins seamlessly. Stellar, on the other hand, benefits from the massive PiNetwork community, potentially onboarding millions of new users to its ecosystem. Section 5. Unwavering security, safeguarding your assets. Security is paramount in the world of cryptocurrencies. PiNetwork understands this and has implemented a multi-layered security framework to protect its stablecoin and users' assets. Encryption, secure key management, and regular audits are just some of the measures taken to ensure the safety and integrity of the platform. The use of the Stellar blockchain further enhances the security of PiNetwork's stablecoin. Stellar's decentralized nature and consensus mechanism make it highly resistant to attacks and fraud. This ensures that users can transact with peace of mind, knowing their assets are protected by cutting-edge technology. Section 6. Benefits unveiled, a seamless user experience. The launch of PiNetwork's stablecoin brings numerous benefits to its users. This innovative financial tool is designed to offer stability and reliability in an otherwise volatile market. First and foremost, it provides a stable store of value within the PiNetwork ecosystem. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies that can experience wild price swings, the stablecoin maintains a consistent value. Users no longer have to worry about the volatility associated with other cryptocurrencies. This stability allows users to plan their finances with greater confidence and peace of mind. They can now hold their assets in a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar, ensuring predictable value over time. This peg to the dollar means that users can trust the value of their holdings to remain steady. Moreover, the stablecoin facilitates seamless and cost-effective transactions within the PiNetwork. Whether you're buying goods or services, the process is smooth and efficient. Users can send and receive payments instantly with minimal fees, making it ideal for everyday purchases and peer-to-peer transactions. This ease of use is a game changer for those who rely on digital currencies for daily transactions. The integration with the Stellar blockchain further enhances these benefits, providing a fast and efficient platform for all stablecoin transactions. This partnership ensures that transactions are not only quick but also secure, adding an extra layer of trust and reliability to the user experience. Section 7. Market anticipation, a catalyst for growth. The launch of PiNetwork stablecoin is generating significant excitement within the cryptocurrency community. This new development is seen as a game changer, potentially revolutionizing how digital currencies are perceived and utilized. Enthusiasts and investors alike are eagerly watching the market, anticipating the ripple effects this stablecoin could create. The buzz is palpable, with discussions and debates happening across various forums and social media platforms. Many experts believe this move could propel PiNetwork to new heights, attracting even more users and investors to its platform. Analysts are predicting a surge in user adoption and market value, driven by the stablecoin's promise of stability and reliability. This could be the catalyst that transforms PiNetwork from a niche player to a mainstream powerhouse in the cryptocurrency world. The stablecoin's potential to drive real-world adoption is also fueling the positive sentiment surrounding its release. By providing a more stable and accessible form of digital currency, PiNetwork is poised to bridge the gap between traditional financial systems and the burgeoning world of cryptocurrencies. This could lead to increased usage in everyday transactions, from online shopping to in-store purchases. As more people recognize the practicality and utility of a stable and accessible cryptocurrency, the demand for PiNetwork stablecoin is expected to grow exponentially. This growing interest is not just limited to individual users, but extends to businesses and merchants who see the value in accepting a stable digital currency. PiNetwork's stablecoin is well positioned to capitalize on this growing demand. With its user-friendly interface and strong security features, it offers a compelling alternative to other digital currencies. The network's innovative approach and commitment to user satisfaction are key factors that set it apart from its competitors. The network's strong community and commitment to inclusivity further solidify its potential to become a major player in the global stablecoin market. By fostering a sense of belonging and collaboration, PiNetwork is building a loyal user base that is crucial for its long-term success. This community-driven approach, combined with the stablecoin's practical applications, positions PiNetwork as a formidable contender in the evolving landscape of digital currencies. Section 8. A glimpse into the future. Expanding the Pi ecosystem. The launch of the stablecoin is just the first step in PiNetwork's ambitious roadmap. This milestone marks the beginning of a new era for the network, setting the stage for a series of groundbreaking developments that will transform the way we interact with digital currencies. The network has plans to expand its ecosystem with more financial services and products, leveraging the stablecoin as a foundation for future innovations. By building on this solid base, PiNetwork aims to create a comprehensive suite of tools and services that cater to a wide range of financial needs. These may include decentralized finance or DeFi applications, lending and borrowing platforms, and other innovative solutions that empower users to take control of their financial future. Imagine a world where you can seamlessly lend, borrow, and earn interest on your digital assets, all within the PiNetwork ecosystem, and even the integration of PiNetwork stablecoin with merchants for everyday purchases. This means that users will be able to use their digital currency for a variety of transactions, from buying groceries to paying for services, making PiNetwork an integral part of daily life. As the PiNetwork ecosystem grows, so too will the utility and value of its stablecoin. The increasing adoption and use of the stablecoin will drive its value higher, benefiting all participants in the network. This continuous development and innovation will solidify PiNetwork's position as a leader in the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency and decentralized finance. By staying at the forefront of technological advancements and consistently delivering value to its users, PiNetwork is poised to become a dominant force in the digital economy. Section 9, the final word, embracing the future of finance. The launch of PiNetwork's stablecoin on the Stellar blockchain marks a significant milestone in the journey towards mainstream crypto adoption. This innovative stablecoin solution combines the strengths of both platforms, offering users a secure, accessible, and user-friendly way to engage with the world of digital currencies. As PiNetwork continues to innovate and expand its ecosystem, the future of finance looks brighter and more inclusive than ever before.